गुड इवनिंग। आज मैं आपको सोशल स्टडी से चैप्टर 4 मेजर लैंडफॉर्म पढ़ाने जा रही हूँ। गेट सेट। विच फिजिकल फीचर डज ईच स्टेट रिमाइंड यू ऑफ? बिहार, महाराष्ट्र, राजस्थान, जम्मू एंड कश्मीर, लक्षद्वीप एंड उत्तर प्रदेश। The earth is made up of land and water. Around 29% of the earth's surface is covered by land and about 71% by water. The surface of the earth is not the same everywhere. Some parts are flat and level, while others are raised. Landforms are natural features of the earth's surface. The major landforms of the earth are mountains, plateaus, plains, desert and rivers. Mountain. A mountain is a landform which rises more than 900 meters above the mean sea level. Mountains cover about 20% of the total land area of the earth. Mountains differ in height and shape. They have very steep slopes. The highest point of mountain is called a peak or a summit. Mountain peaks are mostly conical in shape, which is the highest peak in the world. The height and shape of mountains depend on their age. The Himalayas and the Alps are young mountains. They are high and have conical peaks. The Aravallis and the Appalachians are very old mountains. Therefore, they are low and have rounded peaks. Several mountains may join together to form a chain or a range. Mountains often have a series of parallel ranges which may extend for hundreds of kilometers. The Andes in South Africa and Rockies in North America are two examples. Page number 26. Importance. Mountains have a thin soil cover and steep slopes. It is difficult to grow crops here. The mountainous regions are thinly populated. This is due to an unsuitable climate, shortage of flat land and difficulty in transportation. Despite this, mountains are very useful to us. Mountains act as a barrier against cold and hot winds. Rivers originating from mountains provide water for irrigation. The slopes of mountains have rich pasture lands and valuable forests. Some mountains are rich in minerals. Plateaus. A plateau or tableland is a highland with a flat top. It rises abruptly from the surrounding land, so it has steep slopes. Many rivers and streams flow through plateaus. Some plateaus are very large and extend over hundreds of kilometers. Kilometer. The Deccan Plateau in India is an example. The Tibetan Plateau is the largest and the highest in the world. It is surrounded by mountain ranges on all sides. Other examples are the Colorado Plateau in North America and the Bolivian Plateau in South America. Most plateaus are in dry region and on the leeward side of the mountains. Fact-wise, some people say the Mount Mauna Kea, a volcano in Hawaii, USA, is actually the tallest mountain in the world. It highs above the mean sea level is only 4,205 meters. The base of the volcano is 6,000 meters below the sea level, making it taller than Mount Everest. Page number 27. Plains. Plains are very fertile. People grow many crops in the plains. Due to high altitude, the climate is cold and the growing season is soft. Many plateaus have deep canyons on their surface. The Grand Canyon in the Colorado Plateau is an example. Importance: plateaus have grassland on which cattle and sheep are reared. Some plateaus are rich in minerals deposits. Plains: a plain is a flat and low-lying land surface. They are also called lowlands. They can be level or slightly hilly. The slope of the land is gentle. Plains may be formed by disposition of sand and silt by rivers. As in the case of the modern plains of India, rivers carry sand and silt with them. When the rivers slow down, these materials are deposited on their banks. Plains are formed by these deposits. Some plains are in the interior of continents while some are near the sea coast. Plains are more thickly populated than mountains and plateaus. Importance: plains have fertile soil which is suitable for agriculture. Most ancient civilization came up on the banks of rivers on the plains. Most big cities and towns are located in the plains. It is easier to construct roads, railways, aerodromes and canals in the plains. Checkpoint: write the names of this landform. This has steep slopes and the conical peak. This has steep slides and a flat top. This flat and fertile land is thickly populated. Desert. Desert are land areas that receive very little rainfall. These areas have a dry climate. Desert have very hot days and cold nights, frequent dust storms, hills of sand called sand dunes, little vegetation due to less rainfall. Most deserts are located on the western side of continents and the leeward side of mountains. Some examples of desert are the Sahara Desert and the Kalahari Desert in Africa, the Great Sandy Desert and the Great Victoria Desert in Australia, the Thar Desert and the Arabian Desert in Asia, the Atacama Desert and the Patagonian Desert in South America. Rivers. Rivers are natural channels that carry rainwater or water from melted ice and snow from mountains to plains, lakes and seas. These channels start as streams and join together to form a river. From the place of origin to its mouth, a river passes through three stages. The upper or young course. The most river originate in the mountains. Here the speed of the river is very high. The river cuts a deep and narrow channel in the mountain. Some features of the upper course are canyon, waterfalls and rapids. The middle or the mature course, the middle course of the river begins when it leaves the mountain and enters the plain. Here the valley widens. At this stage, the speed of the water decreases and the river develops loops, which are called meanders. River Ganga, for example, as a meandering course between Allahabad and Varanasi. The lower or the old course. In its lower course, the river joins a bigger water body, such as the sea. In this course, the speed of the river is very slow. The river deposits the silt it carries near the mouth, forming a triangular shaped land called delta. The largest delta in the world is formed by the Ganga and the Brahmaputra rivers before they join the Bay of Bengal. Find out its name. River from Menders in the middle course. Thank you and goodbye.